Hi, this is Bola Halabi. Today I'll be talking to you about the power of focus. If you chase two rabbits, you'll catch none. What this powerful saying means is that if you get yourself involved in too many things, if you stretch yourself all around into too many areas of life, you may not be able to achieve the best results in any specific area. So what you need is actually focus. Focus is the ability of concentrating all your effort, your energy into any particular task at any particular point until you achieve completion. Focus can help you to stay committed and dedicated to a particular task so that you can achieve success. Focus is very important for a productive life. So if you want to be your best at any particular task, the best thing is actually for you to stay focused until you complete that task. For example, if you have 5 different tasks to complete in a day, you need to put priorities into this task. List them in order of importance. When you complete the first one, you go to the next one and to the next one until you complete all the 5 tasks. That is the way to stay focused. I hope today, as you set out going about your task, you will be able to stay focused so that you can achieve optimum performance. Thank you.